Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into Canva, a powerful, user-friendly design tool that's perfect for creating stunning graphics, presentation, and more. Whether you are a complete beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, I will walk you through the basics and show you how to make the most of Canva. So let's get started. First thing first, you have to download Canva on your computer. Go to Microsoft Store. Type Canva on search bar, click on Canva App, hit the install button. Once you have finished installing, close the Microsoft Store and you will see Canva App. Open it. This is what you will see. You either have to log in or sign up first. To do so, click on Login through browser. I already have an account, so all I have to do is click on Continue to Canva app. But if you do not have an account, you can simply sign up with your Gmail account. It is that easy. Now let's continue to Canva app. Click Open. Now here we are at the home page of Canva, and look at what you all can create. You can create documents, whiteboards, presentations, social media. Now this includes Instagram posts, stories, Facebook posts, LinkedIn, YouTube, every graphics you need to create that goes on social media. You can also edit videos with the help of Canva and also create a website. Canva have a ton of different templates that makes it easy to use. There are a ton of different templates on Canva we will be exploring in some time in this video. Now this is the basic idea about Canva and what all we can do. Just to give you an example of how this Canva interface really works, let's just say we want to make Instagram posts. You can either click on custom size where you can define width and height of the post that you want, or click on social media and choose Instagram post. Now this is what it looks like. On the left side of the screen, we can see many sections. First we have design. It shows various templates of Canva. Templates in Canva are pre-designed layouts that user can customize for various types of content. These are the templates you can choose to design. Now, if you see this crown-shaped logo, it says Pro, which means it is not free. You can't use this template unless you have subscribed to Canva with monthly or annual fees. Let's choose the one we need from here, or you can also search for a suitable template in the search bar. Now, this is how you chosen templates will be shown, and you can edit these templates as you wish. You can delete the things you don't like by selecting it and pressing delete button. And if you want to change the words, simply click the word and type the one you want as shown in the video. You can also change the position of the element simply by clicking it and dragging it with mouse. As shown on the screen, you can change font of the text, font size, text color, alignment, effect on text, animate the text and change the position of the text from there as well. Next up is element section. Element section is where you can find various design components to enhance your project. This includes shapes, lines, illustration, and so on. You can simply search the elements in the search bar. Select and position it the way you want. In Canva, text section lets you add and customize text in your design. You can add extra text from here and edit as you wish. Moving on, we can also add music to our design. For that, go to the element section, scroll down until you see audio heading. Click on See All and choose the one you want. Hit the duration button and see how it goes. After you have finished editing, to save your design, go to the Share option on top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and click Download option. Choose your file type and hit the Download button. There you go. Now, let's go back to our Canva homepage. At the top left corner of the screen, you can see a home icon. Click on it. Now we are back to our home page. Now let's see how we can insert or upload our photos or videos. To do so, you can also customize your own size from here. Type the width you want and height you want, then units, then click Create Design. On the left side of your screen, you can see the upload option. Click on it. There, choose the upload file option. Then you can choose the picture you want and open it. Now your chosen file will be shown here. Select it. Now let's start editing. First, let's crop our photo. To do so, first select the picture. On top, you can see Edit Image option. Click on it. Now you can see Crop button in the toolbar at the screen. Click on it. Now you can drag the corner of the crop box to access the area you want to keep. Shown in the video, click Done and access the photo where you want. Now let's see how we can blur our photo. Again, go to the Upload, select Upload Files and choose the image you want. Click Open. After your image is being uploaded here, select it and add this to your design. Now select the photo by clicking on it. Click on Edit Image button in the toolbar. Find the blur sliders in the editing option. This might be under Effect Settings. Select it. Now you can adjust the blur level. Moving it rises the increases the blur from intensity. Now you can start to blur the image. You can also remove the blur from here. Now let's go back to our Canva page. Now here we go. Now here we go. Our image has been blurred. That's it. Your photo now should be blurred according to the level you set. Moving on, we'll be learning how to flip text and change page size. To do so, create your own design. Go to the text option and type the text you want. Now in free version, you cannot flip the text and change page size directly. To flip text, you have to download your design first, as shown in the video. Now upload that photo here. In top, you can see the option of flip. You can flip either horizontally or vertically. This is how you flip. So in the free version, you can only flip the picture, not the text directly. Now similarly, let's change our page size. First, you create your design. After you have finished creating your design, go to the home page and customize your design. Now go back to your design and copy all your elements and paste in your new design. What you need to do now is take these elements and change the size you wish. Here's how you do it. Now let's see how we can create QR code in Canva. You simply have to follow these steps. Choose the template size you need. On the left side of the screen, you can see App section. Scroll down until you see QR code, select it. Or you can simply search QR code in search bar. Enter the URL, for example instagram.com as shown in the video. Then hit the Generate Code button. Now your QR code is being shown in your templates. You can also customize your QR code such as background color, foreground color, and choose the one you want and click the Update Code button. There you go. Now you have your own QR code. Now let's see how we can group elements in Canva. In Canva, grouping elements refers to combining multiple design elements into single units so you can move or resize them all at once. First, you have to customize your design. Choose some elements and add text to your design. Now, grouping the element is very simple. All you have to do is select all the elements in your design. There you can see the option of group, and if you select it, your design has been grouped. You can also ungroup it in the same way. You can also add links to your Canva. Adding hyperlinks to your design allows you to link website, other pages directly from your design. To do so, select the element where you want your hyperlink to be. Then on the screen, you can see the 3-dot button. Click on it and choose the link option as shown in the video. Now enter the link you want and hit the done button. Now select the element you have chosen. See, there on top of the element you can see. Now all you have to simply click and your link will be open. Now we are almost at the end of our video. At the end, I'll show you how to log out and delete your Canva account. To log out, you simply have to go to your profile on the top right corner of the screen, click, and the last you can see sign out option. Now, if you want to delete your account, go to the settings, select login and security, scroll all the way to the bottom, and here you can see the option of delete account. Simply click it and you can delete your account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video is useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and also hit the notification bell.